At first, shooting the ball into the basket was difficult, but it becomes easy after many practices. My target is to shoot in 50 balls. I keep on trying. I am getting the hang of it. Jumping a little helps. Papa says I can rest, but I want to finish 50 balls. It is not good to do things halfway, because it is harder to get started again. I practice till the sky turns dark. Papa is cheering for me. That makes me happy. I want to continue, because continuation is power. I finished 50 balls. Next, I practice bouncing the ball around the court. I bounced for 2 rounds, but it is not the end. The last thing I do is to practice bouncing to balls.